Hi everyone, this is Vishnudas. Welcome to my channel Moksha Bhumi. Do you know the traditions of Bharat? Do you know the scientific customs and spirituality behind it? Do you know why Bharat was a prosperous country in the whole world? Do you know why the Bharat was also called as Vishwaguru? Let's don't waste time and learn it. In this channel, I shall give you details on all types of cultures, traditions, spiritualities of Bharat. With that, we can both relish on that knowledge and pass on to others. Nowadays, so many people does not know what is Bharat and why are these customs, why are these superstitions and what are the reasons behind it. Before learning those customs, we need to learn what is Bharat. Don't worry, I am here to share that knowledge with you. So what is Bharat? Do you know? Bharat in Sanskrit is meant Bha for knowledge, Ratha for relish. Then the name Bharata came into existence that gave rise to the land of people who relish knowledge. We can also see that many ancient rulers of Bharat are named after it. They also ruled truthfully, selflessly, and they also tried to uplift this country. In ancient times, rishis, munis, they all who are enriched in knowledge thought of giving that knowledge to others. And these enlightened persons are the reason why our Bharat was called Vishwaguru. These enlightened persons are the reason why this land was called the land of enlightened. They gave Ayurveda, mathematics, science, surgeries, medicinal knowledge, etc. to this world. I will also give you details on it in upcoming videos. These rishis made a Gurukula system to teach others on this knowledge. And this Guru Sishya Samvada or the conversation that gave rise to Upanishads. So many people from other countries journeyed to India to learn that knowledge, and this was the reason the whole world came into existence. So many people didn't know those places existed, but in order to search India, they searched the whole world and found so many new places to live. This was the way our rishis made this Punya Bhumi as Vishwaguru. In ancient times, our India was called by various names. Those are Aryavrata, Bharata Varsha, Karma Bhumi, Dharma Bhumi, Punya Bhumi, Moksha Bhumi, etc. So why these many names for a single country? Let's learn about that. Why the name Aryavrata was given to Bharat? When I say Arya, you all think about Aryan migration theory, but I am not talking about that. Aryas are the name of people who abide by the truth and live as per Dharma. And in ancient times, our Indian ancestors, they all lived like that. And that's why this India was called as Aryavrata. Bharat Varsha was the name given as the King Bharata ruled this place. Karma Bhumi is a name given to India because in this land every people abide by truth and follow it in order to succeed in life. And that actions they followed, also known as karma, gave them good benefits. They all believed in karma. Do good, you get good. Do bad, you will get bad. That's what the philosophy of karma. And that's why this land was also called as Karma Bhumi. And the persons lived here were all dharmic. They followed truth. And that's why this was also called as Dharma Bhumi. Since the person doing here all goods. This was also called as Punya Bhumi, and this was the only place in the whole world in ancient times to provide knowledge, and that knowledge gave rise to enlightenment. That's why it was also called as Moksha Bhumi. From now on, we all shall learn about Bharat and its customs and traditions. So don't waste time. Subscribe to my channel and please click the bell icon so that you will get notifications. Thank you. Yours truthfully,